بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. Okay, dear students, first of all, you have to open page 13. Can you see this is page 13? Hurry up, all of you open this page. Okay, dear students, today our topic is noun. Noun. What is this? Noun. And today we are going to do grammar side. Okay, students, in grammar we will do noun. What is noun? Naming words are called nouns. Repeat with me, all of you. Naming words are called nouns. Very good. Let's read again. Okay, students, दोबारा पढ़ते हैं. Naming words are called nouns. Naming words वो अल्फाज जो किसी भी इंसान का, किसी चीज़ का या किसी जगह का नाम हो वो नाउन कहलाता है. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? नाउन. वेरी गुड. नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर called nouns. For example, farmer, airport, burger, book. Farmer, किसान, airport, burger, book. Okay, students, let's read again. Farmer, airport, burger, book. Very good, students. So our today's exercise is pick out 10 nouns from the lesson and write them in the given spaces. What we have to do? हमें क्या करना है students? We have to pick out 10 nouns. हमने इससे पहले जो लेसन पढ़ा है उसमें से हमें 10 nouns को पिक करना है. Okay? And then write them in the given spaces. उसके बाद हमें जो spaces दिए हुए हैं इसमें हमें उन nouns को mention करना है, write करना है. Okay students? I am going to repeat again. हमने जो previous lesson study किया था उसमें से हमने 10 nouns को pick करना है and after that we have to write them in the given spaces. Okay students? So let's start our work. Okay students, now you can see that your teacher has already written some nouns from your previous lesson and the name was provinces of Pakistan. ठीक है, उसमें से मैंने कुछ nouns select किए हैं और उनको मैंने इन spaces के अंदर लिखा है. And you can see your teacher has written in a very neat writing and please do your work in a very neat writing, okay? Without any mistake and please consider the video which you are watching कि उसमें टीचर ने किस तरह काम किया है, आपको उस तरह काम करना है. ठीक है बच्चे? Now the first noun which I have selected from the lesson is Pakistan. 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 Okay students? Very good. You have to write with me. I am giving you time. आप आराम आराम से neat and clean writing में इसको लिखें. शाबाश. Pakistan. And the second word is Islamabad. 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 Pakistan. Islamabad. Okay? Very good. Now the third noun is Urdu. Urdu. Okay, let me clear you once, okay, that Pakistan is the name of our country. हमारी कंट्री का नाम, हमारे मुल्क का नाम पाकिस्तान है। सो एज़ आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि किसी भी शख्स का, इंसान का या चीज़ का या किसी जगह का जो नाम होता है उसको हम नाउन कहते हैं। तो पाकिस्तान इज़ द नेम ऑफ आवर कंट्री, इस वजह से पाकिस्तान इज़ अ नाउन एंड इस्लामाबाद इज़ द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान। सो इस्लामाबाद इज़ ऑल्सो अ नाउन and Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. Urdu is also a noun. Okay students, URDU, Urdu. And what is the fourth one? Fourth noun is Balochistan, BALOCHISTAN, Balochistan. Okay students, Balochistan is a province in Pakistan. And Sindh, SINDH, Sindh. Sindh is also a province in Pakistan. And then Punjab, PUNJAB, Punjab. Punjab is also a province in Pakistan. And then we have next noun, Lahore, LAHORE, Lahore. And Lahore is a city in Pakistan. Okay, Lahore is a city in Pakistan and Lahore is in Punjab province. And then we have Quetta. This is Quetta. Quetta is also a noun, QUETTA, Quetta. Quetta is also a noun students, and Quetta is a city which is situated in which province? Balochistan province. Very good. And then we have another city. Let me make it clear. Okay students, this is Karachi, KARACHI, Karachi. Karachi is the capital city of which province? Sindh province. You can see here, this is Sindh province and Karachi is the capital city of Sindh province. And Karachi is a noun. And then we have Peshawar. Peshawar, PESHAWAR, Peshawar. And Peshawar is the capital city of which province? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's capital city is Peshawar. Very good students. Okay students, meanwhile you are writing these nouns in your notebook. We are reading them once again. Pakistan, Pakistan. Islamabad, Islamabad. Urdu, Urdu. Balochistan, Balochistan. Sindh, Sindh. Punjab, Punjab. Lahore, Lahore. Quetta, Quetta. Karachi, Karachi. Peshawar, Peshawar. Very good students. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class, and now it's your homework time and your teacher is giving you your homework. Okay students, now this is your homework and your homework is complete page 13 and share the picture. Okay, आपको इस पेज को कंप्लीट करना है, उसके बाद इस पेज की पिक्चर को अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के अंदर शेयर करना है. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care my dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.